Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to create the paypal.me account. For example, anyone can send money to your just through the link PayPal link. That how to create that. So paypal.me, right? This is my home page of my account of PayPal, and click the settings, right? The bearings. Just click this. Once you click this, right, you can get this get paypal.me. So just I'm going to click this paypal.me. So create paypal.me profile, add photo. Right now I'm not going to add it. So paypal.me, after that how it should be, right? I'm going to create something like, okay, we guru, like that, something already taken, right? So wiki guru, like that. I'm going to take this name. So I should agree this first of all, the conditions, agree and create. Yes, it's done. So if you see this, right, paypal.me, this account you can share to anyone. They can send the money, or you can request money with someone. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedback in my video forms. Also, one more thing, you cannot delete this paypal.me account. You can just close the account, or you cannot you can put on hold, like something you to manage. You can turn off it, but you cannot delete this. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedback in my video form. Thank you. Bye.